Hi, welcome to Insurance Conversations. Today I'm going to talk about add-on covers in motor policies specific to private cars. Well, Team India Insure has reviewed over 12 general insurance companies and listed their add-on covers and classified them in broadly 17 segments. I'll be sharing the list of those 17 add-on covers in this video. But along with this, I'm also going to be sharing with you the 8 of those 17 that I believe are more commonly used or purchased by vehicle owners from the insurance companies. So let me take you through the entire journey. The first is the return to invoice add-on. Now, what is return to invoice? Well, in the unfortunate event that your vehicle is stolen or your vehicle meets with a total loss, the amount that an insurance company will generally compensate will be equal to the IDV of the vehicle or the insured declared value, which is the depreciated value of the vehicle at that point in time. Now, this certainly is not going to be equal to the value at which you purchase the vehicle. So, to avoid the shock, the return to invoice add-on ensures that in the event of such a scenario, the insurance company will compensate the difference between the IDV or the insured declared value of the vehicle and the purchase price of the new vehicle, so long as the vehicle is of the same make and model. Ideally, you should be looking for this cover if you are a frequent long distance road traveler, or you live in an area which is theft prone, or you live in an area which does not have a secure parking. The second add-on, which in my view is of significant importance, is the emergency roadside assist. This feature supports the motorist in the event the vehicle breaks down on account of engine issues, on account of battery issues, or any other reason. The standard services offered under the scope of this cover vary from insurance company to insurance company, but we have classified some of these which I am going to list to you. The scope of cover varies from insurance company to insurance company, but by and large, they will cover battery breakdown, minor repairs, flat tire, towing of the vehicle, fuel provision, in some cases accommodation, alternate transport, reference to a lawyer, reference to a hospital, and so on and so forth. So make sure you go in for the emergency assist add-on as a benefit that is covered under your motor insurance policy. But you need to remember that the insurance company is only a facilitator of the service, but the cost of the actual service will still have to be borne by you. The third add-on that you could look for is the Engine Protect add-on. Now, this add-on is extremely important for people who live in flood-prone areas. This covers the consequential damage to the child parts of the gearbox or the engine on account of water ingression and on account of leakage of lubricating oil due to accidental means. The fourth add-on that you could look at is the zero dep cover or the zero depreciation cover. This cover ensures that the value of the parts being replaced is not depreciated at the time of repairs, and as a consequence of that, you get full and complete reimbursement of the replaced parts. In the absence of the zero dep cover, the depreciated value of the part will be applied and you will go out of pocket. So it makes sense to have a zero dep cover. The fifth add-on that you could look at considering is protecting your no claim bonus or the NCB Protect add-on. The advantage of this add-on is that it allows you to protect your accumulated no claim bonus in the event that there is a claim in a given year, such that it helps you to retain the discount for your renewal premium. If you think you're going to end up using your car insurance and you would still want to have discounts on your renewal premium, then the No Claim Protect is the best add-on for you. The sixth add-on that you would look at considering when you're buying your or renewing your motor insurance policy is the accessories cover. Now this is important, especially if you have fitted a lot of high-end accessories in your car, hi-fi music systems, stereos, and additions to the car body itself like spoilers, so on and so forth, then it does make sense for you to look at adding on this add-on feature to your base insurance product. The seventh benefit that you could opt for is the daily cash benefit or the garage cash. Under this benefit, the insurer will compensate for your transportation cost due to the non-availability of your vehicle, either by a fixed amount or by providing you an alternate transport. But all this is subject to your vehicle being in the garage on account of an accident. The eighth add-on that you can consider taking in your motor policy is the cover for consumables. Now, when the vehicle meets with an accident, consumables like nuts, bolts, oil, etc. that are used during the repair of your car are not paid under the own damage cover. If you wish to claim these monies, then you can go for the consumables cover add-on. Let me summarize the takeaways for you. While we have researched and created a list of about 17 add-ons that are available, we have chosen to share 8 important add-ons which we believe are useful for you as the owner of the vehicle. Having said this, let me also share with you that all of these add-ons are subject to their own terms and conditions, the fine print. Some of the add-ons are dependent on the age of the vehicle. They are not applicable for any vehicle that is beyond 3 years from the date of registration. Some of the add-ons are distance based, that they are applicable within a radius of so many kilometers. Some of the add-ons are applicable only to the first registered owner of the vehicle. So, for your benefit, we have created a document which we are enclosing along with this video for you to look at leisure and understand the finer nuances of these add-ons. And after having done that, if you still have any questions and queries, you are most welcome to be in touch with us. Team India Insure wishes each of you safe driving. Feel safe and feel secure. Until the next video, this is Purandar signing off, thanking you for your time.